good on a grill. Real good on a grill. Grill him whole. Go. They like junk food. That's 4 I've caught since I started pulling them. just can't stand it. Can't stand it. Ain't no monsters. Nice little striper though. I'm wanting them for the grill, so that's the perfect size for the grill. But thanks to Peter Matthews for the umbrella rigs, those things work great. I really appreciate them. Really ain't been a color that they preferred more than the other one. I caught them on the green and I caught them on the pearl. Really, it's been about a 50-50. Hopefully we can pick up one more fish. I got a live well full. Thanks in part to Justin. Justin gave me a bunch that he wasn't gonna take, and then after he gave me a bunch, then I started catching them. I finally switched over and started pulling umbrella rigs. I've been pulling live bait all day and been picking one here and one there, but there's a bunch of smalls. Wasn't many of them worth keeping. Started doing the umbrella rig, started catching a lot better fish. Oh, he's gone. I think. Yep, he's gone. Oh well. We'll put it back down. One more time. Let me fix this thing. You got killed by a striper over there. There we go. Got the counter set up to where I'm putting out 2 colors, plus about 30 foot of leader. With that heavy rig, that's putting me about 20 foot deep. Took me a little while to figure out the depth. We got it now though. Gonna put out 2 full colors, plus a little bit. 30 more feet. That's where these line counters help out. Because you can literally, once you figure out what depth they like, you can set it right to it. All in all, it's been a good day once I started pulling rigs and quit messing with the live bait. I got to downsize my leader material. My leader material is just a little bit too thick. I was getting a lot of short strikes. Fish just didn't want it. But once I switched over to these and to these, pulling them on umbrellas, I started catching fish hand over fist. I was using Peter Matthews umbrella rigs I got from him. Those things work pretty good. It's been a long time since I pulled any kind of rig like that. Even me was able to catch fish on. One more fish. This time I'm serious. Just one more. Water temperature down here is 57.8. So the water temperature is good. See, we've got plenty of birds feeding. I just don't like chasing birds. That's too much work. I like to just float around and catch my fish. I want to give a quick shout out to Whiteside's Whiskers, about one of the best guides you'll find for this area around the Lake Wateree, Lake Wylie area. He can put you on some striper and some catfish. I'll put his phone number up on the screen here so you can give him a call if you're interested in a good guide. Reasonable rates. Kids get to fish for free. Can't ask for a better deal than that. And Peter Matthews for hooking me up with some umbrella rigs. Those things were the ticket today for me. I just didn't have the right leader material to catch them on live bait. I missed more than I was catching, and I had a lot of short strikes, I think, just because the leader material I have is just way too big. But all in all, still a good day. I've caught probably 20 striper. I've missed probably a dozen or more. Justin felt sorry for me, didn't think I was going to have enough to take home for a mess, so he ended up catching a limit for me. And then after I got them from him, I finally figured out the pattern and started catching fish on my own. Like I say, the trick today was the pearl striper snipers and the metal flake. I guess it's chartreuse glitter. These things were on fire today when I put them on the umbrella rigs. If you're looking for stuff to get set up for striper, look them up. Striper Sniper. They're all on the internet. They got a nice website. Oh, no, it wasn't either. That's a fish. Dadgummit. I need softer tipped rods. These rods are way too stiff. Awesome. They are awesome. Seemed to be the key today. For me, anyway. Don't say that. Definitely too stiff a rod. Definitely too stiff a rod. Alright.